Humble beginnings, from the Middle East to the kitchen table. This journey is not just a geographical one, but a tale of dreams, determination, and relentless pursuit of success. Ash Mufareh's story is one of resilience and ambition. His path was paved with challenges, but his vision remained unwavering. Born in a far distant land, his early life was far from the tech world that would later define his success. The bustling streets were his playground, and the rich culture of the city shaped his early years. Even as a young boy, Ash had an insatiable curiosity and drive. He was always eager to learn, constantly exploring new ideas and concepts. His family immigrated to the United States, embracing new challenges and opportunities. The move was a leap of faith, a step into the unknown, but it was also a chance for a new beginning. America became his canvas, and he was determined to paint his masterpiece. The skyline of the new world was filled with endless possibilities, and Ash was ready to seize them. At his kitchen table, Ash's entrepreneurial spirit began to take shape. It was here, in the quiet moments of reflection and hard work, that his ideas started to flourish. This humble setting became the birthplace of a billion-dollar tech empire. The kitchen table, often a place for family meals and conversations, transformed into a hub of innovation and creativity. Fueled by countless cups of tea, Ash laid the foundation for Onpassive. Each sip of coffee was a step closer to realizing his dream, each late-night brainstorming session a brick in the foundation of his empire. Before we continue, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. The spark of an idea. Onpassive is born. It all started with a vision, a dream to create something that would change the landscape of online business forever. The tech world was a whirlwind of innovation, constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. Amidst this dynamic environment, a unique idea began to take shape. Ash recognized a gap for something revolutionary. He saw the potential to bridge the divide between technology and accessibility. He envisioned a company that would democratize access to online opportunities, making it possible for anyone, anywhere, to succeed in the digital world. Onpassive wasn't just another startup, it was a paradigm shift. Ash's idea was to create a platform that would empower entrepreneurs and small businesses. A fully automated online marketing platform powered by AI, designed to simplify and enhance the way businesses operate online. Onpassive became a movement, uniting individuals by a shared dream of financial freedom. It brought together a community of like-minded people, all striving for success and innovation. Navigating the turbulent waters of entrepreneurship. The path to success is rarely linear. Ash faced skepticism, funding challenges, and the pressure to innovate. Yet he remained steadfast in his belief in Onpassive's potential. He drew strength from his family, team, and early adopters. Ash's leadership was defined by empathy and transparency. Building a successful company was about fostering trust and collaboration. Triumph over adversity, the foundations of a billion-dollar empire. Despite challenges, Onpassive gained momentum. Ash's relentless pursuit of excellence propelled the company forward. Key partnerships and strategic alliances were formed. Onpassive's reputation as a game-changer grew stronger. The billion-dollar valuation symbolized triumph and validation of Ash's vision. A legacy forged in innovation. Onpassive's impact on the tech world. Onpassive's impact extends beyond financial success. The company has disrupted the digital marketing landscape. Onpassive democratized access to sophisticated marketing tools. The company's culture of collaboration has inspired countless individuals. Ash Mufareh's vision has become a catalyst for positive change. Inspiring the next generation. Ash Mufareh's enduring message. Ash Mufareh's journey is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs. His relentless pursuit of his dreams serves as a guiding light for those who dare to venture into the world of business. His story underscores the power of an idea and perseverance. Through countless obstacles and setbacks, Ash demonstrated that unwavering commitment and hard work can turn even the most ambitious dreams into reality. Success is about the audacity to dream big and embrace challenges. Ash's journey teaches us that the road to success is often paved with difficulties, but those who persist will eventually reach their destination. Ash's legacy lies in the countless lives he's touched. As a mentor and leader, he has inspired many to believe in their potential and strive for greatness. His story is a beacon of hope and a testament to the indomitable spirit. It reminds us that no matter how tough the journey, the dawn of success is always within reach for those who never give up. Ash's journey reminds us that great achievements begin with a single step. Every monumental success starts with the courage to take that first step, and Ash's life is a powerful example of this truth. For more information about Ash Mufareh and Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.